Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Note in ComfyUI. So to enable it, what you are going to do, just follow this video. So you already know what are notes in the ComfyUI. So you can add some functionality into it. So advanced image processing, machine learning, fine-tuning, color adjustment, and so on. Okay, so how we can um, access to the nodes. So in previous video I showed you what is manager in ComfyUI. So it depends which version do you have. I have this newer one, so I will go here to the extensions and straightforward it will open up this extension pack. So node pack I have here. Now, if you are still using the oldest version, you will see some kind of blue button and then you will hit it manager and then you will go to custom nodes. Then you can search these custom nodes right here and find and select one. So if I go right here, for example, to this one on the right side, you will see some information about it, about this node. Um, Now, if the node has this button right here, as you can see, this package may have compatibility issues, or if it has something like a check mark, a green check mark, that means that author names marked with indicate that their activity level is on GitHub. Now what you're going to do is just, as you can see here on every node, just click on install and it will start the process. Now, as you can see, it's installed. So if I apply changes right here, you will basically restart the ComfyUI, and then we will go here to this section here where we will check if everything is successfully installed. Now we just need to wait a little bit, like so, and now as you can see we have it right here, this installed node. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can enable nodes. Now you have also option to download it from GitHub, these nodes, but I wouldn't recommend you because it loses version control capabilities. So I think it's this way which I show you the best option, because as you can see here in this manager you can also see foreign updates. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.